When we built the original visualizing cultures units on Kyochika's Japan and Kyochika's Tokyo, Ellen and I did not have access to real prints. What we worked with were digital images. Working with these images, we would sit down, we would work with the digital images, we would make hard copies of the digital images, we would move them around. Today, looking at the actual prints, this is my first time. But there was something about the digital images, we could work differently, we could see things differently, we could use them differently. And that opens up the whole question of the digital image, the real image, what we can do now with the digital image and the things we can do with it that we can't do here in the storage room where you're not even allowed to bring in a pencil or a paper. And you can't really zoom on the original the way we can do it.
Every unit that we make has a different database that it comes with. So each of them has a very different quality. And as you study them and look at them over and over, you start to recognize patterns in those databases. And themes start to emerge that we want to look at more deeply. When John and I were looking at them, we tend to start dividing them into themes. And we call those visual narratives. So we came up with gaslit city, spectacle and spectatorship, moonlight and shadows, night as veil, and modern dissonance. Those were for the night shots, and modern dissonance where modern things crept into the image. And when we looked at the day shots, we saw the changing city and the city unchanged. So those were the ways that we created the pathways through the images on visualizing cultures.